Heart breaking me. Tell yourself that's not insane. Always slipping, something going down, down. Still going down. I'll be your number one. It's still smelling. Let me open the stream real quick and sim. Yep, we are set. So not in here, rather here. Let's hop into Twitch real quick and get the uh, uh, uh. Let me copy that and paste that in here for now, and I can just close this now. So let's just it. Also, chat, if anyone was wondering if I like what the fuck is happening in chat right now, I'm mostly talking about the recent Libra, the recent RC linking that I did. Hold up, let me go to private mode for 2 seconds. Do I have any interesting stuff? Okay, no interesting penguins. Ah. Yo, FKS, what's good? What's good? Anyways, I should actually do the Gentoo stuff rather I'm racking off at me. Anyways, by the way, FKF, you have Matrix, right? If you also have like a RC account, like on Libra chat, just see the latest announcements that I did, and maybe link the accounts if you can. That would be nice. If you don't have a Libra chat account though, then that's fine. But if you do have one, I got banned from Matrix. I unbanned you like ages ago. Did I not? I unbanned you ages ago. Like ages ago. Hold up, let me... By the way, gotta go, be right back. Okay, take care. Bye. Let me close this actually. Anyways, let's do a preserved. What fails? A Thula failed. Why not? Of course, a Thula would fail, but let's see what else failed. Did anything else fail? Okay, this is a Thula failed to merge. The other stuff merged fine, I guess. Run C, packet check. Yo, Schutzwall, what's good? What's good? Anyway, haven't streamed for a while, to be honest, because yeah, my sleep schedule got extremely fucked. On top of that, it's extremely hot right now, and I just lay down most of the time, and it's tiring to even like stream. So yeah, on top of that, I was recently working on a bridge. Anyways, yeah, so this is a proper matrix to RC bridge. So technically, it also bridges to Discord. I do wonder if I can get a proper proper matrix to Discord bridge that can also do I see Haskell compiler emerged. Are you using Haskell for something? No, I'm not using like any programming language for anything. I'm mostly just. I think Haskell is a dependency of. Let's see. What's this dependency of? Dev Haskell. eQuery DHC. Let's do DHC. These packages depend on DHC. Okay, shell check. Shell check uses Haskell. Yeah, now I remember. Anyways, mostly for shell check and a few other stuff. Shell check is peak, to be honest. You deleted all your F&V saves, as far as I remember. Yep, that happened. Like, it was accidentally, right? I still feel kind of bad about it, and I haven't really. Hold up, accessibility. Okay, so only Zathura failed, which is alright, and Zathura this failed. Anyways, I still feel kind of bad about it. Let's do a sudo emerge preserve free build. Now let's see what this gets me. Hopefully it will. Whereas there are no evils to satisfy syskernel Gentoo kernel this. Huh? Dependency. The fuck? Yo, Silver Grey Arch, what's good, what's good? By the way, Silver Grey, do you have Matrix? Sorry, wait, I meant do you have RC? I do know you have Matrix, but do you have RC? Like an account on Libre chat. Oh, okay. Never mind then. I'm confused on why this is happening. There's no evil to satisfy. Let's do an EIX. EIX Gentoo kernel bent. Right? Huh. Sudo emerge update deep news. Well, let's see what happens if I do this without the beat-ups, right? Without the beat-ups. I also have some notifications, so let me just, yeah, it's just junk. Yep, junk. Anyways, so we can go back to see now. In the meantime, there's a email that I found, which is kind of peak, to be honest. Hold up. Yep, found it. Okay, just setup tools. Hold up. One more update tribbles have been set up due to dependency conflict. Huh. Let me note sudo emerge Gentoo kernel bin. I wonder what I have installed. EIX equery L Gentoo kernel bin. I have 7.0.7.0. Oh, those got new. That's interesting. I'll need to nuke the old ones, to be honest. Sudo emerge deep depth clean. Now can I do a goddamn depth clean? I really need to do a goddamn depth clean properly. Okay, Zathura. Zathura is being a pain in the ass. I could NVIM configs main. Okay, not there. Z shit. Now NVIM config main package dot not use, rather, yeah, Zathura, the, you know, this, the PDF reader. You can read PDFs with it, you can read EPUBs with it. Hold on. Let me find a PDF real quick. Dot PDF. Back. Okay. Not back. I'm fucking stupid. Zathura. Nah, yep. Communist Manifesto of the Communist Party. Anyways. So this is it's a really great PDF reader, to be honest. I think what's the yep. It can also do color changes and everything. It's kind of peak. It's extremely peak. Yeah, good book by the way. Yeah, I haven't read it still. I was about to read it. Like got into. I was with some. I joined some Discord servers related to communism, right? Communism and mostly leftist ideologies, but later I kinda left and didn't really read the book. I still have the book, but I haven't read the book still. I do wanna read it at some point, but I'm just lazy. Not accept keywords. What was the mask again? Mask? You know what? Let's directly sudo e nvmetsy porage mask. Package mask. Not keypass xc. Wait, there's a keypass xc. Interesting. Anyways, let's actually go to the directory and cd this sudo mv. You can read it on your mobile device. It's not that big. Just skip prefaces. Yeah, probably read it at some point. Problems. Okay, NVIM problems. Sudo e NVIM problem, right? So this is gonna be this. And what was the Zathura version again? Okay, Zathura, specifically this version. Did I not say that? Well, fucking shit. Sudo NVIM problems. Now can I... Okay. Thank the fucking gods. Okay, sudo immerse deep depth clean. Now will it work? Hopefully it sees that in the package mask and... Okay, fuck you. Geared up Fulton by Zathura 1.5.14. Hahaha. Zathura is a fucking bitch. Well, how do I... Not sudo e image Zathura PDF and PDF. Was that the one? Was that the one? I forgot. I am using PDF, right? Yep, I am using PDF. Let's see if I can just... See, this is in my package mask, right? Okay, 2026 to 3. Will that version work? Well, that version also doesn't work. So I'll do that, do that. Problems. Fuck you. Sudo e and then problems. Now let's just try to paste this. Yep. Sudo e immerse Zathura. That's for a PDF and PDF. Hopefully it just creates the package for the... Okay, nice. That does do a downgrade though. No, I'm fine for now. Let's see if I can just sudo immerse deep depth clean. Let's see if I can just depth clean without that, and then we'll see. If that doesn't, fucking fine. Fucking fine. Fine. I'll bugs.gentoo.org. Check the logs, maybe you'll be able to fix it without downgrade. No, I do know the bug. I do know the problem. The thing is, it's a problem with devlog error, maybe an initialize or something like that. Yep, found it. So Zathura this and this, these bugs. So this is the main problem with the current stable version, right? 2026 to 22. So I have the build.log and everything. This mostly fails because of devlog error may be uninitialized. Now, long story short, what I checked and what other people mostly told me is that in this specific version, the variables that does the initializing for the width and height, they're probably uninitialized. So yeah, resizing breaks and everything, and problems with that mostly. So this fails to compile because of that. But this version does work properly. 2026 520. So I also created the PR for this, but Sam was like, you know, you should don't snipe PR from other maintainers. But I created this like a week ago, and yeah. Anyways, for the love of God though, Zathura PDF MU PDF. Let me check if Zathura PDF MU PDF, because if this is merged, then I'll probably just .26 to 3. .26 510. Okay. Change log. Okay, it says the from Mason rope chat. Maybe I'll you know what, fine, let's not this. Let's just go to shitbox. Or you know what? Let's actually testing overlay. So I think how do I check the overlays again? What is it? Sudo, not sudo. Deselect repository rest. No, that would fuck, not that. I just want install repos. ls var db repos. Yep. Let's just nuke this and create add test build. Yes, now. Gentoo, right? and git switch Zathura switch branch. Now Gentoo, where is Zathura? App text, app text Zathura. I'll copy that. Texting overlay, app text. Go through that. So I'll just I can nuke these. Yeah, I can nuke these. So 2026 520. That was my original PR. Yep. And for this, I'll nuke these. Yep. Don't need 999. Yeah, I'll do these stuff and maybe hold up. App text Zathura. Fuck. Why the fuck is it? This is a problem. I don't like where this is going. I fucking have Docker. Fuck. Shit. You're not fine. Emerging binary. Bro, it's just a goddamn binary. Why the fuck are you taking so fucking long? Jesus fucking Christ. In the meantime, let's check my notifications real quick. Just stupid ass notes. I swear to God. Goddamn, I fucking hate this. Why the fuck? Emerging binary, why the fuck does a binary take so fucking long? Try with verbose. It's already installing. It's just the glad because yeah, this rsync is like just let me really fuck up with it. Brrr. Yo, Sash, what's good? What's good? Anyways, this binary is being installed from my server, and the server lives on the other side of the earth. Like literally. So yeah, it takes a fuckload of time sometimes. And on top of that, I'm using like SSH based pulling. So yeah. I could hold up. Sudo tailf var temp storage dev sudo docker language server. Let's try to read. Okay, that's just the log file. Never mind. I'm fucking stupid. Build.log. Okay, not build.log. What's the fetch file again? That's the distr, as you see. Is it an actual temp? cd temp storage? Are you in here? Nope. I swear to God, bro. I swear to fucking God. Anyways, we'll tinker around with the. You know what? Let's just do this. Package def commit asset itself. Can I do that? Fuck. Add this is a through restrict. Okay, did it generate the manifest properly? That I do want to know. App test a through. Okay, so manifest are actually working properly. Now I'm using Linux Mint. Nice. Oh, did it? Okay, it's still fucking pulling. Oh God. It could be. You know what? I'll toss destroyed something. I don't care. Anyways, let's go to this. Let's go to this. Sudo image, Docker, language server, MPD, Discord RPC. Right? Now, will you to just install the goddamn package? Okay, I should have done sudo image. Right? I should have done that. Now, will it just work? Will it just work? I think it will. I think it will. Now, hopefully, you immerse the binaries pretty damn fast. Yep, that was environment problem or something. I'm too fucking lazy to figure out. It was probably just an environment problem. Yes, installation of packages for offshore runtime features. I know, because I added that. Now can I just open NEOVIM? Yep, I can open NEOVIM without that popping up. But I'll do git push. And I do wonder, can I just update a single repo? If I remember correctly, I can, but Then what will I do? I'll do. Hold up. What should I do again? I forgot. Fuck, I forgot. Brrr. Oh, yep. Package mask. sudo env problems, right? Oh, I can nuke both of them. Sudo emerge update deepening this world. Keep going. Now finally will you just work. If this works, then I'm set. Then I'm set for life. Because even though this is still isn't committed, it will get committed on my testing overlay. So everything should just work out fine. But I forgot that I haven't done an emerge sync. So sudo emerge sync. You know what? Hello? Can I do this? Please don't. Okay. Like sync only a single repository. Oh man, emerge. Sync. Sync repo, nice. So sudo emerge sync testing overlay. I'll cross that. Oh shit, everything. You're not fine. Sudo emerge sync. I'll do a full fucking sync. There you fucking go. You happy now? You fucking happy now? Nice. So, sudo emerge update deepening this world. Keep going. Hopefully, this will just work. Hold up. What did it say? Okay, an update for port is available. Yeah, I'll need to do the update. But it'll be a couple of files. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Also, my Gentoo PRs. Not Codeberg. Group PR. I'll search for the Gentoo PRs that I have opened. And from that, I'll just do some moves. Let's see, Zathura. Now, netrc WeChat. Need to work into that. Okay. Have I added that? Okay, so Eli, it still hasn't. Maybe I'll just ping Eli in. God. Yo, Toke Tilapia, what's good? What's good? Okay, let's see. Audacity, Zathura, Fast Fetch. Audacity has an update? Huh. I'm still waiting for Audacity 4 to be honest. Gentoo ZSH completion, SoCat. Huh. Fine, I'll update these. I'll update these. These seems like mostly harmless. Also, wait, do I need to compile Python? Please don't. Well, fuck, I need to compile Python. I should enable PGO for Python, to be honest. I'll... I do wonder. Should I enable PGO for Python? I don't know. Should I? Should I? Sounds... Huh. Yeah, I'll think about it. I'll think about it. Ah. Okay, libvpl2. So I'm in for a fuckload of compiles, to be honest. I'm in for a shitload of fucking compiles. Gentoo ZSH completion thing. Interesting. Hey, it's gonna be fine. I also probably wanna do a preserve rebuild. I probably wanna do that. Do a preserve rebuild, do a this, do a that. Okay, Python is compiling. You know what? Let me check if GHV chat. Updated 2 hours ago. Let's check. Okay, 4.9.2, 4.9.2. I think my PR was both 4.9.1 and 9.2. Nice. But please don't tell me I have fucked it up. Please, 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 please don't tell me I fucked it up. Because if I fucked up the keywords, it's gonna be absolutely horrible. Let's hope I didn't fuck up the keywords. Let's hope the keywords were designed perfectly. Yeah, it's fine. While this is doing a fuck ton of compile, Okay, am I back? Hopefully I'm back. Shit though, the CD. Kinda like this music. What was this again? MTC socket. Host? Yo, unwinds. What's good? What's good? Yeah, it's been a while since I've streamed. MPD. Is it MPD.socket? I forgot. Anyways, yeah, as I was saying, mostly me being lazy. On top of that, my sleep schedule got extremely fucked. As always, my sleep schedule is like every single time it's fucked, but it rotates. So it gets fucked, more fucked, then kinda okay, then kinda okay, then fucked, more fucked. So it rotates a lot, right? And on top of that, it's like crazy fucking hot in here. Like 40 fucking degrees, 43, 42 degrees. It gets crazy fucking hot during the daytime. And I don't want to stream during the daytime. Around nighttime, I'm extremely... No, you back to your normal person's sleep schedule now? And not really. It's like 11:31 p.m., right? So yeah, it's dead in the night and I'm streaming. And I just started to stream. So no, it's not normal person's sleep schedule, but normal for me at least, because I used to sleep during the day. I'm more comfortable sleeping during the day and staying awake during the night because number one, the fucking temperature, because it gets fucking hot as fuck during the daytime, and I'd rather just sleep it off. And secondly, yeah, more people would join during my night since I live in South Asia and all that. And yeah. In any case, on top of that, like forget the sleep schedule, forget fucking everything. I was also recently working on a Matrix RC bridge. So I had to do the planning and figuring out what program to use and everything. So previously, like I have a Discord server, right? I have a Discord server, I have a Matrix space, and the Matrix space and the Discord server is bridged. Like most of the channels, most of the main channels at least. So I also had RC channels that were bridged via Discord, but the previous bridge that has been running for like what, a year, half a year now or something. Yeah, more. It's more than a half a year or something. Anyways, those were absolute yes. But currently, the current bridge I'm running, it's pretty damn good to be honest. It's pretty damn good. Not as beautiful, the one with disturb you usually. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, right? That's what I'm talking about. Night is fucking peaceful. Bro, the fuck does it in NPC host? Bro, I'm gonna fucking lose my shit. Man, NPC? Ah! The fuck do you mean NPC? Bruh, what? TLDR NPC. NPC provide socket. NPC LPD provide socket. Now hopefully it will show the MC one. Post. Yeah, I fucking gave you the full fucking path. You fucking idiot. It's not forward, it's not. File mp temp mpd dot. Oh, it's I'm fucking stupid. I'm absolutely fucking stupid. It's mpd underscore socket, not fucking. I'm fucking stupid. I'm actually fucking stupid. While this compiles, you know what? Let's tinker with Hyperland a little bit, shall we? Before I do that, I'll do a git pull, and it seems tmux attached. Okay, Audacity's emerging. I still want I have the Audacity for app service, not app service. What's it called? Application something. I forgot. Like, you know, the binaries that are packed with the dependencies too, so it just runs. I forgot what it was called. App service? No. I think it started with app. App images. Yeah, app images. Thank you. Yeah, I have the Audacity for app images. Like, I think it was from ages ago, although they have done some work after that. But I do wish there was packages for Audacity 4, at least even the testing versions. And then again, I could just make a PR. But I'm lazy and I don't really want to work with Audacity because the graphical packages sucks ass. They suck ass. They absolutely suck ass. Dependencies. This dependency doesn't work. That dependency doesn't work. This dependency needs to be pinned. That dependency can also not be pinned. It's a fucking pain in the ass and absolutely horrible. But still, I'll probably make a PR sometime. To be honest, what I do think is when I'll actually get the motivation to work on a PR, Audacity 4 will just be released. They'll just release Audacity 4 at that point. Like, I'm still surprised that I wanted to create the Audacity for a version e-build like last year or something, before GTA 6 pre-release. Goddamn, it's I'm still kind of surprised that we won't be able to say stuff like, yeah, this happened before GTA 6, XYZ happened before GTA 6. I still can't believe it. Like, it's still, like, I don't know how to explain this, right? I don't know how to explain this. I guess what I'll just use is XYZ happened before Elder Scrolls 6. Because to be fair, I don't hate GTA per se, but I was never a GTA person myself. Like, I think the last GTA games I played was fucking ages ago. Like, when I mean ages, I mean like decades ago, and those were Vice City and I think San Andreas. So those two. I haven't played GTA 4. I haven't played GTA 5. So yeah, I wasn't more of a GTA guy. I am an Elder Scrolls guy though. I do like Elder Scrolls, like a fuck ton. I do quite like Elder Scrolls. You know what, let's actually check out Audacity. I don't remember jack shit from them other than GTA Vice City had a strip club and that was fucking peak. And that was fucking peak. And that's about all I can remember. I swear to God, if they don't have femboy cafes in GTA 6, I'm gonna lose my shit. I'm gonna lose my shit. Like, femboy cafes on GTA 6. Right? You know what? Let's actually check. Does GTA 6 have femboy cafes? Please, for the love of God. Please, for the love of God, say yes. Wait, femboy? Who does in GTA 6? Let's fucking go! Oh, was that like a GoFundMe or something? Translate to Japanese English. Seth Starks. You, my friend, is a fucking legend. You, my friend, are a fucking motherfucking legend. Okay, male strip clubs. Yeah, I'm interested about that. Okay. You know what? If it has femboy, listen. If it has femboy cafes on GTA 6, right? Then it wins the game of the award. Instantly. Fucking instantly. Um, I remember the time before Silk Song was actually released, and goddamn, that was something else. Audacity 3.7.8. Patch release, okay. 4.2 beta 2 though. 4.2 beta alpha 2. Huh. Audacity. User you've blocked? Yeah, it's probably Claude. Yep, it's Claude. So, long story short, right? Ignorance is bliss. That's all I'm gonna say. Ignorance is bliss. Absolute fucking bliss. Like, I got this idea from a Gentoo dev called Sam, and what basically Sam was doing is he blocked Claude, and then when he checked repos, like, you don't need to go through like a fuck ton of commits, right? GitHub will just show you a user you have blocked has previously contributed to this repository. Oh my god, now even in Audacity, what should I use now? To be honest, I'm kind of fine with Claude being in Audacity because, let's be honest, I don't think it's that much. Let's check the commits, right? 7 commits. Oh, last 3 months. Let's do all time, right? Let's do all time. Looks fine-ish. I could check for co-author. Co-author Claude. Yeah, I could check for co-author Claude and see how many commits pop up. 2 people authored. Yep. Oh, 15-ish commits. That's fine, I think. And it's mostly theme stuff. Yeah, I think it's fine. Ish. Theme stuff, some timeline fixes, amplify effect, view model. Like previously, like I would be like, yeah, it's unusable now, but currently I'm kinda, you know what? Fine. I'm still against like heavily AI assisted projects though, and I try to not use them when I can, except from some packages here and there. But yeah. The thing is, even on the Gentoo group, right? Like Gentoo has like a no AI policy, but the funny thing was someone actually tried to commit with Claude and Magoni, and they're one of the devs. They instantly reverted the changes. They were like, nope, we are not doing this. We are not doing AI assisted commits, and they're a goat for that, and that's why I really love the Gentoo community. Like in the Magoni's blog post on why Gentoo, they said something along the lines of, Gentoo is about respect, and we respect our users, we respect our contributors, and one of the reasons, and this is one of the reasons why we still have like a no AI policy. And yeah, I think it's pretty neat. You know what? The only way I would be for AI use, right? For an editor. Now hear me out. Imagine a text editor where you don't use your hands. Now I'm not talking about vibe coding, I'm not talking about cursor and all that bullshit, where you give a prompt and AI just uses that. But hear me out. You have, I don't know if you've seen this, but there was a person, they were a neuroscientist, and they were also a gamer. So what he did, she actually played some games just using her brainwaves. I should do that. Anyways, so playing game with brainwaves. Yep, this person playing video games with mind control. How I play Elden Ring with my mind. Now, she's a really fucking talented gamer, and on top of that, she's a crazy fucking neuroscientist. Like, she's fucking goated. Absolute motherfucking legend. Now, imagine that, right? But for your text editor, imagine that. That would be insanely peak. Just thinking about code. We remove the, I think this is the pinnacle, like an editor that would be able to do this would be peak fucking programming. We remove your hands, we remove those. We remove, for example, someone could use text to speech, we remove that. We remove like everything. Just use your mind. Basically just use your mind. And what separates this from like prompting AI and do all that is, for a text editor like this, you would actually need to use your mind to imagine the for loop and just basically imagine every chart and everything you would actually do. So it won't fix your code or generate your code per se, rather it would read your brainwaves and try to grasp that idea and generate that into programming. That would be fucking peak. That would be absolutely fucking peak. Okay, 7 packages, 7 coupon. Packing source. Hold up. Okay, so that just failed. Fine. Anyways, Thura. Only ZSH complete. That's fine. Now, can I? Yeah, can I just exclude WeChat, but just do this. Replace GCC with mind compiling, streaming instructions right from your brain. Nah. Imagine a world where instead of AI, like kind of like the Matrix, right? Like, damn, holy shit, I just realized something. If we actually go through this route, we're only getting closer to the Matrix. Like, we already have AI, but not AGI. And we won't probably get AGI. But, using humans as a source for like using human brains and like everything to generate stuff. Holy shit, that's fucking peak. I don't care about the ethics. I think it's fucking peak. Fuck AGI. You know what? Fuck AI clankers. Fuck AI generated bullshit and everything. We need human farms for human-made slop using human brains. Yeah, we need biomechanical computers. That's what we need. And holy shit, the following binary packages. Let's see how many packages I have to merge. 123, 117. Now, let's check the E builds, right? E build, then firmware, there'll be on screen, rec, so that's customer select, setup tools SCM, VCS versioning, Gentoo CSX completions, fine. Let's sudo merge L. Hold on, sudo merge deep depth clean. You know what? Let's do this step clean real quick. Before, yeah. You know what? I'll not compile like right now. I'll do this, then I'll do the preserved stuff. Actually, there is a game about brain farms. Interesting. What's the game about? What's the game called? Also, 55 fucking packages? God damn! Let's see how many stuff. Okay, Gentoo kernel bin versions. Sprivel, VM, CPU test, FineGen, ASCII Doctor, PyTest, OSP Presetter, Backports, OSP Presetter, Python? Huh? Why the fuck are they STM? Docker credentials helper? Huh? Do you not need Docker credential helpers anymore? What the fuck? Part of the machine where you play as HEI? Interesting. Part of the machine. Let me take a look into that. JSON schema, any config, colorama, base of pad, pass, web colors, URL template, RC stuff. LSP protocol, FTQN, tree, regexf, Python stuff. It's fine, probably. Say 55% on heart of the machine. Let me check it out. You know what? Even if it's actually playable on my system, I'll probably even. Well, it's probably not playable on my system. Or maybe it. Let's check the specs, right? 6 GB of RAM. 1 GB of VRAM. That could be a problem. I'll probably not be able to stream it, to be honest. Yeah, streaming it would be a problem. It would be playable, but not streamable and playable at the same time. Because I have shitty ass specs. Like, extremely shitty ass specs. Now, sudo emerge at the rate of preserve rebuild. Let's not do this for now. Oh, that's neat. Hold up. You know what? I'll install it. And then I'll do a clean from both of my systems. Ba 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 ba. Um, you could always try a demo version with, yeah. Let's go to shitbox real quick. This is Python 13. Use flags and yo, Hardik Bhath 864. Hello. What's good? What's good? Nice of you to be here. If this is your first time on stream, then welcome to the stream. I'm currently doing some Gentoo stuff, and I'll probably try to learn Rust tool on stream, but don't know about that much. Don't know about that much because I'm extremely sleep deprived right now. Like when I'm talking about extremely sleep deprived, I'm talking about thinking and talking fucking hurts. Okay, now let's check the goddamn fucking buttons. We will that will screen record. I could make a you know what no. Doing well, man. Hope the same for you, and it's my first time here. Nice. Query LWL. Fucking fine. I'll emerge. WL screen red to emerge. WL screen red. I'm watching CADA learning lessons. I'm waiting for CADA learning sessions patiently. I'll probably not touch Ada because might try to relearn C though. The problem was like learning C was fun, but I also got like exhausted like really fast. Like every time I think about learning C now, my brain just shuts off and it goes to panic mode and goes like, nope, we're not doing that again. But yeah, to be honest, I just need to push through the current block that I have with learning languages and actually learn a goddamn language, because the last language I actually learned was probably Lua, and that was fucking ages ago. And abusing shell scripts and Lua for everything, it's kind of iffy, to be honest. It gets tiring, it gets iffy, you have to do so much fucking shenanigans. And yeah, you get bragging rights sometimes, right? Yeah, I parsed XML stuff, JSON stuff, YAML stuff with pure bash, with just the built-in commands, this and that. Yeah, I'm a good parser. I created my own parser. You can say all that, right? You can brag. And to be honest, sometimes I brag. But it's like a house of cards. You sneeze, it breaks. By the way, I used CashUS. I used Arch and I know nothing about it and had to spam AI to get something done. That's a fucking shame, to be honest. I would say the thing is, like, there are a few kinds of people, right? People that wanna learn Linux, and people that actually wanna use Linux, but they just want to get shit done, right? And to be honest, like, both sides are totally fucking fine. If you wanna just stable, just like a working setup, then fine, do your own thing, right? But I would say if you wanna learn Linux, like learn about package managers, learn about how packages are interacting with each other, I would say to actually start using your distros and try to do stuff on your own when you can. Let's see what fucking failed. There, compile fail. Oh fucking god! I fucking hate myself. Ooh. It's the WL screen wreck of fucking. Is it an update or is it a rebuild? It's a fucking rebuild. Fucking god. I'm gonna shoot myself. I'm gonna actually lose my shit. Let's check the changelog, shall we? Let's do a git pull. And let's go to WL screen rec, right? Let's check the git log. Okay, that was me. For fucking hell, I just want to wait. I just want to ditch Microsoft. Yeah, that's a good enough cause, to be honest. So last commit was for me actually, and it was May 3, where I updated the E class and the LLVM compat. Now, if I remember correctly, it just fucking worked. But I don't know why it's not working now. There's a good book about Unix based Unix bash and all the basic Unix tools such as set up, make the Unix programming environment. You know what? That actually sounds peak. That actually sounds kind of peak. I'm decent enough with sed, I would say. But you know what? Let me actually download this. Just keep this downloaded and the Unix programming environment. I'll probably just use an oh fuck, can't say that name. I almost said the name. Oh, that's fucking. Oh, it's an internal archive. Nice. I like old books about Linux because, yeah, it's. Wait, Brian W. Cunningham? Holy fucking shit. This person was, like, one of the Bell Labs scientists, right? Yeah, they contributed to C language with Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson. Yeah, Cunningham became widely known co-authorship of the first book of the C programming language. Holy fucking shit. Many, including Ditroff, he's the co-author of the awk, the and ample programming language. The K and KNRC and awk both stand for Cunningham. Motherfucking legend. Yeah, I recognized that name. I also recognized Rob Pike. Both are fucking legends. Both are absolute fucking legends. But to be honest, I would say that yes, I'm not like downplaying books, right? I'm not downplaying books, but I would say that practice is always, at least in my humble opinion, doing like actually using the tools in a day-to-day basis, creating scripts, like creating like anything. Doesn't have to be scripts. You can write one-liners, right? Okay, chat. Am I back? Okay, I should be back. Anyways, as I was saying, like like using the programs in a day-to-day basis, you don't have to write like a fuck ton of shell scripts. Like you can create one-liners on your system. Like just interact with your shell and try to do better, like in every attempt. For example, you're writing like I've seen a lot of people, and this still fucking pisses me off, typing cat into grep, and every time I see that, I literally start seething. I get so fucking pissed off. In any case though, for example, you're working with credits, right? Your first attempt goes great. I would say in your second attempt, try to optimize the regex a bit more. And yes, I'm talking about regex when the topic was Unix programming, but regex actually helps in like a fuck ton of cases, especially in shell scripts. Like if you are like okay and like if you know basic regex and you're comfortable with using regex, you can do so many fucking stuff and so much easy. It's absolutely peak. For example, sed, right? I've seen a lot of people using sed just for replacement, but you can do so much more than that. Let me show you an example, right? Let me show you an example. So, for example, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not, let's actually just sed. Let's do grep OE first, right? And let's check from 4 to 5. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 4 to 8. So we get 4, 5, 7, 8. But what if we wanted to check if 4 was after 3 and 8 and 9 was after 8? Well, we could just grep for that, right? But it would also give us the 3 and 9, and then we'll have to do another grep and all that. However, if you're using sed, right, and if you use sed and e, you can just set this. So 3, this goes into a parentheses, and if you don't know regex, this is basically just a capture, right? So we do this, then we do 8, then we do, right? Then we do. So let's just do start with this 1, and this, right? So let's do this. And I'm just gonna optimize that. Hold up, I'm fucking stupid. This is supposed to be 1 and this is right. So we are actually getting 4, 5, 7, 8. But what would happen if this doesn't start with a let's start with 3? We get nothing. You see, we get nothing. So sed isn't just for like you know, like changing one stuff for another. You can also use sed like a grep on crack, like grep OE, but on crack, because you're also doing, you know, sanity checks and all that. So sed is really powerful for this. Anyways, you know what? I should actually clip this part. 143.41. 143.40. June 29th. And then to you. Like, June 29th. 1 and what's the time again? 1:44. I'll do 1:40. Right? Yeah, that's good enough. Anyways, let's read the chat now. I was too busy explaining stuff. Is Unix the predecessor and the major inspiration for Linux? It's kind of like that. So Unix based, there was like the operating system called Unix, and then there were Unix based operating systems. And Linux is just a kernel, but Linux-based operating systems are Unix-based. In any case, do you use like a local AI model, and are local AI models compatible with any English system? Yeah, you can use local AI models for translations, transcription, and other local API to interface things. But yeah, like to be honest, I would say like a lot of AI models nowadays are actually, I think that's the case. I'm not that much knowledgeable about running AI models because I just don't find the appeal, because I'm not that much into AI myself. But yeah, like most of the time nowadays, the stuff you can run is like Linux has the first class support, I would say, instead of Windows. I use Agros translation and Whisper personally. Firefox uses neural networks for translation. Yeah, I just actually. Oh wait, hold up. I thought you meant LLMs. I didn't know you were talking about like shit. Nowadays, every time I see the word AI, I automatically think about LLMs for some fucking reason. Whisper is fucking great. Like, I set up Whisper for my kid in life to automatically get the subtitles right for my shorts and everything, and it's been working out pretty damn great so far. I can't use the turbo, I can't even use the minimum version, but I am running the, what's it called, light or micro or something. Yeah, that version. Still pretty damn great though, even the lightweight versions, like the extreme lightweight versions. W will, fuck hell. Fine, I'll check out the goddamn. Oh, my shit, my SSH. I'm fucking tired, boss. SSH changes. That's SSH. And see what the fuck is the goddamn problem? Sudo e no sudo bat vartem storage and hold up, let me adjust my microphone real quick. Anyways, should it go to media sound? Media sound probably goes to media sound, not RPC. Fuck. So media video, W screen rec, temp, build the cloud, right? And let's just well, let's see what was the problem before I can. Okay, so something failed here. Match patterns. Oh, interesting. Error, non-exhaustive patterns. Was not up. This should not happen. Could it be because of Rust version or something? I don't know. These stuff compiled fine, but yeah, error. Let's check for all the errors, right? Non-exhaustive patterns. WL screen rec. I'll probably just make a fucking version. Exhaustive pattern. Also, the new GitHub search fucking sucks. It absolutely sucks ass. I don't know who the fuck in their right mind would think that. So let me actually show you how the previous GitHub search worked, right? So you go to a repo and then you try to search for something, and then if you want to search for something again, like another thing again, you would just hit the search bar, and if you type for another thing, right, it would actually do a search on the current repository you're in. But currently it does not do that. The next search you're gonna do actually does a search for the whole GitHub. Who the fuck in their right mind thought this was a good idea? That's one of the most stupidest, most horrible UI UX decisions that has ever been taken, that I have ever fucking seen. It's absolutely horrible. Uh, to be honest, I am kind of feeling like like extremely sleepy. I might close the stream, or I might just continue for like, what, another half an hour? Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll just do that. Write screen recording tool in Rust. Use FFmpeg library for all the processing. Why not just use the C API directly? Eh. I think one of the other tools can use the C API. Like there's WL screen rec, and there's WL copy something, I forgot. Not WL copy. WL copy is for clipboard. WF recorder. Let's see if WF recorder uses C. If I remember correctly, one of them uses C. Or does both of them use? Okay, WF recorder actually uses C++. So yeah. Let's check for this. Non-exhaustive patents. Is there gonna be an open issue about? Doesn't build FFmpeg next. Non-exhaustive patents. Live AB live AV user error installation errors both AUR and cargo. That doesn't build. Okay, nice. In Gentoo FFmpeg version is 6.1.9. What does it say? Huh. Okay, so it's a FFmpeg problem, I think. Fuck me. Oh god. Mm. It's not a FFmpeg problem, it seems like a Rust ecosystem problem. It's probably just I wonder what's causing a rebuild for this. Let's check the version, shall we? So WF, what's this again? WF screen break, right? WF screen break. Let's check the git log again and see. Okay. Metadata. That's Henry. Git log. Author this. April 18. Okay, FFmpeg says, oh shit, FFmpeg says nice, but that's a problem. Huh. Probably need to update that. And also check what FFmpeg version that I'm doing. Oh. So I need to do patches for that. You know what? I'm used to mostly using OBS nowadays. I could just nuke this from my system. Sudo immerse d depth plane WS. Like, I'm too fucking lazy to fix this. Then again, like, if it was like something that I'm actively using nowadays, I would probably try to fix that. But since not actively using it nowadays, on top of that, I'm using OBS for recording too. So yeah. Anyways, chat. It's like 1:35 a.m. I'm extremely sleep deprived, whereas my brain is basically half awake and it's half dreaming. Like, yeah, it's absolutely fucked. So I'll go the fuck to sleep because I don't wanna lose my shit on stream. So yeah, I'll do that. Anyways, take care, and I'll see you folks on the next one. Bye.